Hey, hi guys. So in the previous sessions, we have understood collection interface, list interface, and under the list interface, we have seen array list and linked list. And we also have seen set interface, and under set interface, we have seen hash set. And today we will understand linked hash set class. So before moving into LinkedHashSet, I would suggest you to watch my previous video where I have explained HashSet class and whatever the methods are available under the set interface, same method will be available under HashSet as well as LinkedHashSet. Both the classes will be having the same method which is available under set interface. So in HashSet and LinkedHashSet, in both the classes, they don't have any specific methods. Means HashSet doesn't have any specific method. LinkedHashSet also doesn't have any specific method. So whatever the methods will be available under the set interface, same method will be available under HashSet as well as LinkedHashSet, right? So before moving into the linked hasset, we will understand the difference between both the classes, hasset and linked hasset, so that it will be clear why we are going to use linked hasset class. So mostly interviewer ask what is the difference between hasset and linked hasset. So you can explain there is only one difference, that is hasset doesn't maintain any order, but linked hasset maintains insertion order. Linked hasset maintains insertion order. So this is the only difference in between both the classes, hasset and linked hasset. So as we can see, I have written here the difference between both the classes, hasset and linked hasset. It doesn't maintain any order. Yes, hasset doesn't maintain any order, but linked hasset maintains insertion orders. Right? Means whatever the element you will insert, those will print in a sequence order, right? So this will maintain insertion order. And we have seen hash set doesn't allow any duplicate element. So in the same way, linked hash set will also not allow any duplicate element. So hash set and linked hash set both class will not allow any duplicate element, right? And in hash set, we are going to use hash table concept, but in linked hash set, we are going to use hash table as well as linked list concept, right? So here we will use both the concept hash table as well as linked list concept, right? And in hash set and linked hash set, both will be having initial capacity 16 and load factor 0.75. So this value, initial value and load factor will be the same in both the scenario, in both the classes, right? So in both the classes, everything will be the same, right? Both the classes are implementing to this set interface only, right? And these two classes and this interface is available under java.util package. So everything will be the same. The only thing is different, that is hash set doesn't maintain any order, but linked hash set maintains insertion order. The only difference is there, right? Now we will see the main points. Now we will see the important points which are available under linked hash set. So as we already have seen in hash set, right? A linked hash set class contains unique element only like hash set, right? So in hash set, we already have seen it maintains only unique element. So linked hash set also maintains only unique element. It also contains only unique element. It doesn't contain any duplicate element, right? And linked hash set class allows null element, yes. And set class set hash set class also allow null element. Means these 3 points, right? And linked hash set class is non-synchronized. So these 3 points, right? These 3 points are common in both the classes, hash set and linked hash set. In both the classes, these 3 points are common. The only difference is this last one. Linked HashSet class maintains insertion order, right? So this is the only difference, right? And now we can see the methods. So these are the common methods which we have seen under HashSet class. Same methods are available under linked HashSet class. So everything will be the same. The only thing, this is the insertion order. It maintains the insertion order. So this is the only difference, right? So methods, everything will be the same, right? So now I will create one program and then I will show you the difference between both. So as I already have created one project with the name of collection framework. So under the set interface, I will create one class with the name of linked HashSet demo. After that, I will create one main method, right? So after creating a main method, we can create an object. So how we can create an object? In the same way as we have created in hash set. See, in the hash set, we have seen these many ways, right? These many ways we have seen to create an object in hash set. So same always we can use in linked hash set class as well, right? Everything we can use. So let me show you. So we can change the reference variable first. Four, and this one I will make it 5, and the last one I will make it 6. So still we are getting an error. Why we are getting an error? Because I have not imported, right? So this class, right? This class is available under java.util package. But now we are not using, now we are going to create an object for linked hash set, right? Not hash set. So here we can write linked hash set, linked hash set. Same we can copy and paste it here and everywhere, right? Because this class I have created for linked hash set. Right? So still we are getting an error because we have not imported it yet. So now we can import java.util package because the error has gone, right? Here still we are getting an error because this load factor will be in float. So here we can write float, right? Error has gone. And here again we are getting an error because spelling is incorrect. Character, right? Now this error also has been gone, right? So all error has gone. So these are different ways to create an object in linked hash set as well, right? So you can use any of them as per your requirement, right? So as I am going to store similar kind of data, so I will use this one, integer one. I will use. So you can use any of them, right? If you want to store different kind of data, then you can use this one. If you are going to store only 100 elements, then you can use this one. If you are going to use 100 elements and load factor this much, right? So if you are going to initialize, then you can use this one. As if you are going to store only similar kind of element, that is integer. If you want to store only integer data, then you can use this one. And if you want to store only string data, then you can use this one. And if you want to store only character data, then you can use this last one, right? So as per your requirement, you can use any of the object, right? So as I am going to store only integer data, so I will use this integer one. this one. And for the remaining one, I will comment this out so that it will not give an error, right? So I will remove this. So let's add some numbers here. Add. Let's say I want to store number 10, and then let me copy and paste it, right? And I will change the number here 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, right? So I have added the number in a sequence wise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, right? So if I will print these number, then it will print in a sequence wise because lim has set maintains insertion order, right? See, if I'll write here HS, then it will print in a sequence wise as I have inserted the element. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So let me show you the difference in hasset as well. So let me create here one hasset. Let me create one object for hasset as well. Hasset HS1 is equal to new hasset, right? And let's say here also I want to store some integer value only. So I will write here integer, right? So I have created an object for hasset class as well and linked hasset, right? So we already have seen for this linked hasset and it is printing in a sequence wise, right? So the way we have inserted the element, it has printed in the same way, right? This linked hasset, right? Now I will comment this linked hasset. Now we can check this one, this hasset. So hasset will not print in a sequence wise because it doesn't maintain any order. So let me put here output for this hasset. Now I will make it here S1. Okay. Not S1, this one only because I will have to write once again. Else we can do the separate one. Let's make it S1 and I will copy and paste it again to make it clear, right? So that you don't confuse here, right? And here I will give some message. Message will be hmm, this is hasset result, and for this one I will give some another message. This is linked hasset result, right? So now I will run this program, right? So here I have created an object and storing an element in hasset, and here again I have created an object for linked hasset and storing these elements, right? Same element I am storing in both the uh, reference variable in both the object, right? So let's print, let's execute and see the output. See, this is the hash set, right? I have stored the same element, right? And in a same sequence wise, right? In both the classes, right? But see, hash set is returning 50, 20, 40, 10, 60, and 30. But linked hash set is giving an output in a same sequence wise as we have inserted an element, right? See, we have inserted an element like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, right? And it is giving an output in a same sequence wise, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, right? But hash set is not maintaining any order. It is randomly printing an output, right? So this is the only difference in between hash set and linked hash set class, right? This is the only difference. Apart from this, everything will be same as we have seen in hash set class, right? Everything will be the same. So this is the only difference, and methods will be the same. Same method will apply here as well, which we have seen under hash set. So these are the methods, right? These are the methods which we have seen under HashSet class. Same method we will use under linked HashSet class as well, right? So once you will watch my previous video, then you will understand how to use those methods, how to use these methods, right? So same method as we have seen in HashSet class, in the same wise we will use in linked HashSet class as well, right? So the only difference which I have showed you here, that hash set doesn't maintain any order, but this linked hash set maintains insertion order, and we have seen in output as well, right? So I hope you understood. This is this linked hash set class. If you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment. I will reply you. Thank you, guys.